You need to slow your roll. How selfish is that?
That's so pretty, Xavi. Are you gonna be an artist when you get older?
Never will. Works for me.
Does it smell good?
Likewise.
Mmm. Good.
Enjoy your trip home.
Yeah, whatever.
Say pumpkin. Get some yellow.
So sorry, Dad.
Yellow. Let mommy see your artwork. Wow! That's so pretty. What? Your hands? Your hands are all colorful. You get it? Go ahead, color your pumpkin. Wow. Do some green. What about blue? Where's blue? Where's blue? Yeah, blue. Blue. What about some red? Where's your red? Where's red? Yeah, there's red. He just got blue paint on his forehead. Come on, look at his head. Yellow? Is it on your nose? You got paint on your nose. Yellow? Wow, that's pretty. No, don't put it. I thought you were gonna eat it. Put it on the pumpkin. Wow. Say bye-bye. Love you.